Researchers and farmers are constantly working to develop new varieties of rice that are more resilient to climate change, pests, and diseases. These efforts include genetic research, traditional breeding techniques, and the use of biotechnology to enhance rice's nutritional value and yield. They are also exploring sustainable farming practices that minimize the environmental impact of rice cultivation. Techniques such as water-saving irrigation, organic farming, and the use of renewable energy sources are being implemented to ensure that